What's up guys, welcome to another monthly episode of Creative Income. This video was made for you wondering what to shoot next if you want to increase your income with stock footage, stock photography, vectors, illustrations, 3D, motion graphics, etc. This month we got a ton of specific briefs, so there's a lot of opportunities to make use of, no matter where you live. I do this video every month collecting shot lists from Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty Images, Pond5, so make sure you're subscribed and let's go for it. Alright guys, beside the shot list, there's not so many news on the stock world right now, but I've been getting a good amount of comments from you guys asking me to increase the frequency of my uploads. And I'm working a lot right now and putting all my efforts on the online course I'm producing. For example, I will finally upload my video and give you full access to my CSV spreadsheet. So I'll show you how to submit metadata and organize multiple files all at once using this powerful tool. So stick with me, this is just the beginning, we just got started. Okay, so let's proceed to the shot list. These suggestions come from Shutterstock, Pond5 and Getty Images, but they represent the true demand of the whole market. The first suggestion is special for drone users. Drones are getting more popular each day, and though there's already a big competition, there are still some categories with supply smaller than demand. So here are 3 categories that are a request from Pond5 that are also going to be useful on other agencies for both photography and footage. This category is known for being always in demand and having no expiration date. Wheat fields, cornfields, vineyards, patchwork, fruit orchards, tractors, farms, and grain silos. These categories will always work well and can be even better with aerial shots. Some tips are trying to show low-flying shots at sunrise and sunset. Number 2, industries. Industrial subjects have always been a hot topic and are still underexplored when it comes to aerial shots. Here are some ideas: containers on a dock, on the ship, being loaded and unloaded, new cars on a dealership or shipping center, solar farm, wind turbines, construction sites, oil rigs, on land or sea, factories, trains, oil refinery, etc. One helpful tip is shooting wide enough so you won't have release issues. Avoid logos or any other copyrighted features that are recognizable. Number 3, villages and suburban. Different global clients look for images representing how people live around the world. There's a big demand for suburban tract homes and neighborhoods, but also apartment buildings, condominiums, parks, commercial streets, small to big stadiums and carts, etc. These requests were made by Pond5. You can find keyword insights and a priority code on Creative Income/October 2018. The second suggestion is related to global holidays. You might think Christmas is a saturated topic, and you are right, because it is. But it is still a big market and also a golden pot if you explore it the right way. One good example is exploring its celebration in different countries. So, for example, there's a high demand for images and videos of Christmas and other holidays being celebrated in Austria, Brazil, Colombia, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Iceland, India, Malaysia, Norway, Singapore, Spain, Switzerland, and Thailand. You can explore celebrations such as, forgive my pronunciation, Hanukkah, Purim, Makar, Sankranti, Pongal, Chinese New Year, and its year's animal. I know it's not Christmas time yet, but there are a few strategies that you can use. Number 1 is searching for an old material stored in your HD. You probably have something from last Christmas. You can also reproduce a small Christmas celebration, or at least be prepared when Christmas comes so your content is online to be sold next year. If you live in any of these countries, try to achieve authentic feelings with real people on real scenarios. Forget the classical stock agency look and what tourists would often focus on. Illustrators can also explore the birth of Jesus, including Jerusalem, the 3 wise men, nativity scenes, baby Jesus on a manger, etc. Once again, you can find a deeper briefing on these cases on Creative Income/October 2018. Also connected to holidays, this is a request from Shutterstock that they call the vacation mode. It's mostly about winter vacations and people heading to celebrations in the winter time. So winter activities including traveling down a winter road, snowshoeing, enjoying a fire in the snow, and ski trips. You can also give it a try to trips to warm destinations. This might also sell well. Beach activities, pool activities, etc. And the 4th one is self-improvement. This one is connected to the new year, especially for lifestyle changes influenced by the new year. That means representing people starting or researching diets, mind-body improvements such as meditation, yoga, goal setting and writing down resolutions, healthy eating habits, etc. Try to mix the common healthy lifestyle content with New Year's resolution. Cool guys, this is it for today. If you're after more ideas, you can check my other What Sells episodes and all my microstock related content. Thanks for watching.